So by now, I believe that you should be able to calculate the oxidation number of our element. Okay, we want to calculate that of carbon in CO3 2 minus. And remember, as the custom, the valency of CO3 is 2 minus. So we are going to write CO3 and equate it to the valency, which is minus 2. The next thing is that our carbon, that is the one we don't know, C plus open bracket minus 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to minus 2. Then if you open the bracket here again, you are going to have minus 6 is equal to minus 2. And at the end of the day, C is equal to 6 minus 2. And our final answer will be plus 4. Make sure that you put plus 4 when you are solving it in the exam. And that is why the name of this radical, the name of this radical is starting from this 3, tri. Also, oxygen is 3. That's why we say trioxo. Carbonate. Carbonate what? Now what is the oxidation number of carbon? The oxidation number is plus 4. Triazocarbonate 4. And you are going to write it in Roman numeral. Let's consider that of D. Phosphorus in PO4 3 minus. I made a mistake here. PO4 3 minus. PO4 3 minus. The same procedure. PO4 is equal to 3 minus, and then phosphorus with the one we don't know plus open bracket minus 2 multiplied by 4. This 4 is equal to minus 3. Then when we open the bracket, we are going to have minus 8 is equal to minus 3, and then P is now equal to 8 minus 3. At the end of the day, P will be equal to plus 5. Plus 5. Are you following? Plus 5. And that is why the name of this one will now be tetra, because it is 4. Tetra, also phosphate. Tetra, also phosphate 5. Tetra, also phosphate. The same procedure, MnO4 minus. So we want to calculate for Mn in MnO4 minus. You know the procedure. We are going to equate everything to the valency, which is MnO4 is equal to minus 1. Then Mn plus the oxidation number of oxygen is minus 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 1. Mn minus 8, you remember how we arrived at minus 8, is equal to minus 1. Then Mn is equal to 8 minus 7. At the end of the day, Mn is equal to, that Mn represents manganese, is equal to plus 7. And if you want to call the name of this radical, you will say tetra, because of this 4. Tetra, also manganese. Manganese what? Manganese 7. And it must be in Roman numeral. So in the next class, we are going to consider the second method of calculating oxidation number, and in that class it will be a complete formula. Remember that all these ones are just radical, but in the next class it's going to be a complete formula, and the method is also similar. So right now, move on to the next class to see another way of calculating oxidation number.